Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. I'm Omar and in this video we'll explore another exciting new AI feature in Excel, the AI.Extract function. By the way, I've made two other videos about AI functions, the AI fill and the AI ask. Make sure to check them out in my channel. And now let's dive in.
So here I'm in Excel and I have this table showing some responses that I received from a survey after conducting a webinar. And I asked the guys to add their emails in the survey so that I can send them the content of the webinar. And I received the following responses. As you can see, first person, hi, thanks for the info. My email is the .thankful.person@gmail.com. Best of luck. Second one, amazing session. Please send the slides to me, the slides lover at hotmail.com, and so on. And if I want to send the slides to them, it wouldn't be easy because they didn't provide the email straightforward, except the last guy here, who is ideal.guy@straightforward.com. And I want to get the emails only in a new column. Someone might say you can use the flash fill function, but unfortunately in this case it will not work because this function only helps when the data is straightforward and it does not recognize that this is a text and this is an email and so on. So the function that we will use today is much more powerful and smart than the flash fill. Let me first show you the flash fill and how it will fail to get the emails from me. So let's say I will get the email from the first response, paste it here, and then in the data tab, I will go into flash fill here and under data tools, I will press on it. And as you see, it gave me very random data that sounds stupid and not accurate. So I will say thanks but no to flash fill, and I will instead use the AI.extract function equals AI.extract, and I will open brackets. First the value, I'm getting the value from here. And what do I want to extract? Well, basically I want to extract emails. So I'll press on email here, or I can just type email in the second prompt. I close the brackets, press enter. And here you go. You can see I got all the emails in just a few clicks. Now I can forward the slides to them in a very quick way.
It's interesting to see how AI is getting more and more involved in our daily work. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and to hit the bell button to get notified whenever I post a new video. See you.